Hello students. In this video we will discuss marketing management concept and their scope. First we will discuss marketing management concept. Marketing and management consist of two different words. First is a marketing, second is a management. What do we mean by marketing? We already discussed that marketing is an economic process by which commodities and services are required in exchange of money. That means marketing is a economic process or marketing is a human process where the commodities or goods are exchanged between the two or more persons for a money. And management is a very big thing, or managements are explained in very large amount because of whatever marketing activities, that activities are managed by management or management manager of our organization. So we will discuss first what do we mean by market, and then we will discuss management. Marketing denotes to the procedure of distribution of goods or product from producer to final consumer. That means there are different activities are involved in the marketing, like purchase raw material, then whatever convert into final product, that final products sell to our customer. For selling you must be use the transport, insurance, warehouse. These are some activities are involved in the marketing. And when you are using a manage proper management between that activities, you can get a success in your organization. Otherwise you can become failure, or our organization getting a very large amount of loss. So for a proper management, you must be think about the different management principles, techniques. So we will discuss what do you mean by management. Management is a coordinating of efforts of other people intent for the fulfillment of the predetermined objective. That means management is a coordinating efforts of the people intended for fulfillment of predetermined objective. Management manage all the things, whatever things related to your marketing, that things you can be managed, coordinated. That means planning, organizing, directing, staffing, controlling. These are the some example of your management function. First we want to make a plan, then coordination, then communication, then control. These are the example of your management function. On the basis of that, different management thinkers has made definition. That definition we will discuss. First is that marketing management is a planning, organizing, controlling and implementing a marketing programs, policies, strategies, tactics designed to create and satisfy demand for the firm's product, offering or services as a means of generating acceptable profit. We already discussed that management is a process where the manager are prepare a plan. That means preparing, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, communicating. These all the functions are made by our manager. And when we take consider that when these functions are applicable at the time of marketing, that is called as a marketing management. That means whatever planning, whatever organizing, whatever controlling and implementing, whatever marketing programs, their policies, whatever strategies, their whatever tactics, these programs, these policies, these strategies, you want to make a success. and it is depend on your management. Proper managements are helpful for getting a profit, because proper management always try to supply the goods or services to right customer at right place and right time. So customer will be get the product or services which they want at a regular basis, at regular time, and at a regular price. So it is helpful for increase the profitability of our organization. Next definition, according to Philip Kotler, the best management or best management thinkers is Philip Kotler. The Philip Kotler say that marketing management is art and science. So according to Philip Kotler's, marketing management is art and science. Art in the sense that whatever skill are required for selling our goods or services, and science in the sense that some principles, some techniques which we want for the selling our goods or services. So marketing management is arts and science of choosing a target markets and building profitable relationship with them. Marketing management is a process of involving analyzing, planning, implementing, and control, and it covers goods, services, idea, and the goal of to the produce a satisfaction our third parties which are involved in our transaction. That means marketing management is a process of analyzing, planning, implementing, control regarding the goods or services activities, sorry, ideas, and other goals which you want to objective or which you want to achieve in your future life, with the help of satisfaction our customer. When the customer are satisfied, our objective, our goals will be achieved in automatically. So for the achieving our organization goals or our marketing goals, the management is the most important parts. So marketing management is a process regarding analyzing, planning, implementing, and control of goods or services related activities. Then scope of marketing management. Marketing management, the first point is that managerial process. Marketing management is a managerial process involving planning, organizing, decision making, forecasting, directing, controlling, and coordinating. That means who are the sales manager? That sales manager have good skill, good knowledge regarding the planning, organizing, decision making, forecasting, directing, coordinating, and control on the activities of market. So it is called as a managerial process or managerial function, because here persons are involved who always try to make a different function within the adapt management principles. Next is that consumer centric. All marketing activities are consumer centric. The consumer are the king. All marketing activities are based on the premises of make what the market wants. The principle of objective of marketing is create new outcomes and retain current customer. That means whatever all the marketing activities on the base of our customer centric or customer center. That means all the producers are keep in the mind that our best supplier or best purchaser is that our customer, and customer is the king of our market. So they will firstly identify the customer needs and wants and produce that product according to customer needs and wants. For the purpose of identifying the customer needs and wants, the manufacturer or producer must be prepare different plan, then analyze this plan, then implementation this plan also coordinating between the different peoples and control this plan. So it is a on the basis of consumer centrics. Then research analysis. The basic function of marketing is identification of consumer needs and wants. This requires continuous and systematic collection of data, analysis and reporting of data relevant to marketing activities. We know that market has been changed according to customer needs, customer wants, and customer needs and wants are always change. Day to day customer want to new features, new shape, new color. Their expectation are always change according to goods or services available in the market. So manufacturer must be try to collect the different information, and that after the collection that information it must be prepare a particular plan, then analyze this plan, then prepare reporting on that data or that information which are related to your marketing activities. Without any plan, without any collection of the information or data, the producer or manufacturer are not selling his goods or services to our customer, because customer expectation, customer needs and customer wants are always change. Next is that planning and development. Marketing involves planning and development of goods or services. Organization make a continuous endeavor towards planning, development and innovation of product and services so as to meet the changing demand, taste and preference of the customer. We already discussed that the customer demands, customer preference, customer needs are always change, customer taste always change. So according to that taste, according to that performance, according to that demand changes, every organization must be prepare a plan for producing a product which are satisfy the customer need according to their changes taste in preference and their demand. So for that purpose it must be take care that you must prepare a planning on a continuous basis and development of product which are satisfy the customer needs. Then building marketing framework. Marketing activities are not a just selling and distribution of ownership of goods and services from the producer to ultimate consumer, but it involves a series of activities like research analysis, production, development, innovation, advertising, promotion, pricing, selling and distribution, customer relationship, after sales services. That means we already discussed that marketing is not only the buying and selling, but they involve different activities. Same marketing management or marketing activities are not only the related to your selling and distributions of goods or services from owner to ultimate our customer, but it involves different types of activities like analyze the customer needs and wants, make a production with the help of new information with new features, development of that product, innovation in your product, make advertisement of your product using different promotions activities, they decide our price, then selling and distribution of goods or services and create a good relationship between our organization to our customer, and also provide the after sales services. These all the things are involved in the marketing, and marketing management are helpful for the functioning that all the activities in a proper way, so customer and our organization relationship has been created and developed in a very proper manner. Thank you. Whatever your suggestion comments you can write in the comments box.